Make a great choice today with the 2017 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.